Before starting this video, guys, what is this behavior? None of you have subscribed. Subscribe now, don't worry, it's for free.
Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to make milk halwa. Add 1 liter milk into a pot, let it heat up. Then add 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter ghee and stir well. Add half a lemon drop by drop and cook on medium heat while stirring it slowly until it forms lumps. Cook it until the milk dries up. You can add vanilla extract if want, it's optional. Put it in any plate you want and shape it to your liking. Add any type of dry fruits you like. Cut it in small bite and let it cool down in room temperature. And voila! Your milk halwa is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to know yummy recipes like these.